then see what happens.
That's right.
What is it gonna be blinking?
I don't know. Mommy's running out of batteries.
Wow, it's like a toy!
Let me see. Oh my goodness. What do you have, Jared? What did Santa bring for you?
I got a toy!
Oh my goodness.
Wait, this one.
Show me.
I got a toy!
Whoa, you got a, what is that?
It's an
Geo-track.
I got a toy!
Oh, be careful, you don't do trashing it like a rock star. Yeah, you're trashing it like a rock star.
Oh, man.
Is that more fun than the presents, Jared?
Mom, can we do another one?
Sit down first. Okay, Jared, let's sit down. Show Granda what you got.
Wow.
What's that sound?
It's music.